Hello guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to share a short and quick tutorial with you guys and show you how I realize these Fulani braids. Yeah, okay, so now it's just almost 4 a.m. in the morning. Is the best time for me to do this video. I have 2 kids, so here is the thing. The first thing is, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I have a beautiful news to share with you guys. Okay, so my name is Fulani Braids. I am a stylist and also a hair coach. So I help women to take care of the hair. So if you have any kind of hair issue and you really need help about that, about dandruff, or even if you have breakage hair, so yeah, I organize this kind of hair growth program in group. First thing is in French and in English. Okay, so there you go. The second thing is, you can follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is rgcoiffureb. Okay, so I share a lot of tips on my Instagram account. So welcome also on my Instagram account. Share this video, share. Okay, so I'm going to show you the quick tutorial. First thing, I did it like the blind test. That's really amazing. I enjoy to do this. And the other thing, I did it normally. And for the last big news, during this hair growth program, I also teach you how to realize cornrows with or without extension, twist, and different other hairstyles. It depends on you, right? So let's get started to watch this video. Oh my god, I am so excited to do this blind test tutorial with you guys. It's so interesting. It's kind of challenge I give to myself. So now I'm just starting with my index finger to start like a single braid. Then I had hair, like my own hair, progressively a little bit one side to the other side. Then I had also hair extension. Okay, I know that this fitting cornrow is a little bit difficult for a beginner, so yes, I organized braid classes to learn this technique. Okay, so if you're interested, do not forget to comment below this video and tell me which kind of braid techniques you really want to learn. I am here for you guys. So I'm a visual learner and kinesthetic learner too, so that's why it's really important for me to do this challenge and to know how my hands work, how in my mind it works. So yeah, I was so excited to see the results. So there you go, I remove it. So for the second part of this video, so I remove it, and now I am more quiet, I am more calm. So yeah, I am just enjoy it. And tell me if you know how to do fitting cornrows, and if you're interested to learn this technique with me, do not forget to contact me on my YouTube or on my Instagram, rgcoiffureb. So enjoy watching this video. Thank you.